Ang buhat ron nga feel nimo makatabang sa imong goals nga ma-achieve nimo pohon.
Kani, simple ra gid kaayo. List, not a full planner. Kanang gamay lang jud nga notes or reminders nga maka-feel siya og organized ka gamay. And it keeps me on track maski nga gamay lang yun.
Okay, tinuod jud na. Ang paglista, isa jud na sa makatabang nato.
Okay. Thank you. Next is Trisha again. And for your kanang imong question kay, what's the hardest goal you've ever tried to pursue while being broke? So like daghan man jud tag mga dreams or goals, di ba? And ang nakakuan jud nato is ato ang kanang financial. So unsa may mga kuan ni mga goal nga wala jud nimo nakuan ba tungod kay kana sa problem sa financial.
Saving money. Kay di ba unsa man yung pag-save kung walay ma-save? And sometimes you feel guilty for treating yourself. Financial goals are the hardest kung tight ang budget, di ba?
Okay.
So,
Thank you.
Odyssey, how do you handle pressure from family or society when it comes to your goals? So, yun sa man mo pag-handle kung pressured ka sa imong family, yun sa man mo pag-handle.
Pressure is real good. Like sometimes family expects you to be this or that. Like kanang phrase nila nga kanang sunan na imong kuano kanang imong utod sa ligtuon mo na. But I learned that I have my own pace and I try to breathe and remind myself nga dili ko contestant sa life. Ako iyang owner. Ngana.
Okay. For Aliyah, is there a recent goal you achieved because of one small change in your daily life? Especially karon nga kanang college na ka.
Yes, fixing my sleep schedule a bit. Sleeping earlier helped me feel more alive in the morning. And that alone made me more productive. Small changes really creates a big results.
Yes, sakto jud na. Maka-energize jud na basta matugkag sa iyo.
Okay, Trisha, what is one small win that boosted your confidence to keep going with your goals? Or unsa man ang mga bisag gamay lang ni mga achievements nga makagana jud bag sa eskwelahan?
Finishing a task I delayed for so long. Like kanang maka-feel ka nga, finally. Kaya dili man siya big achievement pero nakahatag og spark nga kaya ra gid ay nila ko no.
Okay.
Tinuod jud na.
Odyssey, how do you set goals when kanang emotionally drained ka and stressed?
Sa ako, simple ra. I don't force myself to dream big during low moments. I focus on gentle goals like resting, breathing, fixing small things because healing is a goal too.
Okay, Alea, have you ever given up on a goal because it is no longer fits your current life situation?
Actually, yes. And it felt freeing. Some goals look good on paper, pero in real life, dili gyud siya align sa imong needs or priorities. And that's okay. Letting go is also growth.
Yes, that's right.
Kasi hindi ay naapay mas para jud nimo, di ba?
Yes, murag siya.
Pwede.
Okay, next, balik ta ni Trisha for the second to the last question. So what's a goal you have right now that a lot of people our age can relate to, like saving money or getting healthier?
Saving money, Jude. With prices going up, responsibilities getting heavier, and temptations everywhere. So it's so hard pero very necessary yun sa tanan. Yes.
Okay, Odyssey, this last question is for you. So, if you could turn one real life problem into a goal right now, what would it be?
For me, it will be consistency. If consistent ko, everything else masayod. So my goal now is to build habits even if small. Kay ang small kung magdugay, mahimong big.
Okay. So, thank you kaayo ninyo guys. So,
Thank you, everyone.
So, I'm sure atong mga viewers daghan kaayo matun-an sa inyong mga gipagtubag. And
Yes.
sure
And-
talaga nga ma-inspire ang mga tao ninyo.
So, thank you kay natubag yun yung kuan from the bottom of your heart. And napay last question lang, bisag kinsa lang mo tubag ganahan mo tubag ani. So, unsa man inyong mga kanang advice sa mga viewers nga like mga nag-set og goals gani kanang ilahang kuan. Unsa nila pagkuan nga like kuan gani na nila nga goals.
Kuan lang yun, be consistent. Be consistent sa inyong goals, sa inyong mga habits.
Yeah.
Lights, camera, action.
It's so the very fresh. And so the light is the apple. In the fresh into the apple the same. It's so yummy good. It's so the yummy. It's so the apple the juice okay. You see the version so you the apple juice. It's so yummy.
And anhin na and ato ang question and answer. And that's it for today's Chica. I hope this episode made you feel seen, inspired, or at least reminded you that you're not alone in this whole goal setting journey. Whether you're starting your goals, adjusting them, or still figuring them out, it's all part of the process.
Okay, so for our viewers, so thanks for hanging out with us today. If you love this episode, don't forget to follow, share it with a friend, or drop a message about your own real life goals, struggles, or wins. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep trying, and keep choosing goals that match your real you. See you in the next check-out session!